Good Monday morning. We are going to finish up this septic install. So I am on my way to where we get the precast supplies like the concrete tank and the drain field, everything that we need for the septic installs. It's probably about 30 minutes away. So I'm going to pick up some end caps and then run a few errands, and I will meet y'all out at the job site. I have just arrived to the job site, so I'm just getting my gloves here real quick, and I'm getting ready to go start helping the guys. They've already got started this morning because I had to go and get 4 more end caps. So I have arrived here now and getting ready to start helping them. Quick review. Phase 1, clear the lot. Phase 2, we got the septic tank put in, and we started on the drain field last week, but it did start raining on us, so we inspected what we had already done and covered that, and we left, and now we're back here on Monday morning to finish this job out. So I'll show you real quick what the guys have gotten done while I've been gone. So we had stopped actually over there last week when it started raining on us. So Charlie and Austin have got this in today, this morning, while I went and got end caps. So they're doing a good job. So see, that drain field right there got covered up. So this one's not going to get covered up yet because this much the rest of the way down has got to get inspected. So Charlie should be getting ready to start digging on another drain field, and we'll keep doing this right here until we get them all in.